My good friends, I got the base coats for the ruined Miniart building done, so it looks pretty good. A lot of taping work though, but I'm glad I've got it all done, so now I can have fun and do my dry brushing and do all the washes and all the weathering and stuff. So it's come up pretty cool. So I've done a really dark grey down the bottom, which is nice, and a lighter grey. The trims I've done in a sort of a light bluish grey, and then I did a nice light green for the top part. It's a different light green to the inside. The inside's got a more of a yeah, your military sort of green, but on the outside it's just a really sky green. So that's that. Pretty cool. It took me a while to get all the masking tape on and get it all done, and you have to wait for things to dry, but yeah, it could use a good seal now, so I might just chuck on a bit of a seal. Yeah, so looking good. Alright, I'll see you again soon.